Have you ever wondered how to create pictures in neural networks? Well, let me introduce you to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where this is not only possible but also incredibly fun and engaging. Neural networks are essentially computer systems modeled after the human brain. They're designed to recognize patterns and interpret data in a way that mimics human thought processes. Now imagine having a tool that utilizes these networks to create images. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Enter Leonardo AI, a game-changing platform that pushes the boundaries of creativity. Unlike other platforms, Leonardo AI offers a greater degree of control and customization, allowing you to create images that are not just unique but also truly reflective of your artistic vision. Now that we have a basic understanding of what neural networks are and how Leonardo AI utilizes them, it's time to dive into the process of creating images. Creating images with Leonardo AI begins with setting up the tool. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Leonardo's official website and download the application. It's as simple as clicking a button. Once downloaded, install the software on your system. The installation process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to get you up and running in no time. Next, you'll need to create an account. This step is crucial as it allows you to save your work and access it from any device. Remember, your creativity shouldn't be confined to one place. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the interface. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, but like any tool, it becomes more powerful when you understand its features and how to use them effectively. With Leonardo AI now ready to go, we can start to explore the exciting journey of creating images. Now that we have our Leonardo AI set up, creating images is just a few steps away. Let's start by selecting a base image. This is the canvas that Leonardo paints upon. It could be a simple geometric shape, a landscape, a portrait, or anything else you fancy. Remember, the base image sets the tone for your final outcome. Once you've chosen your base image, it's time to adjust the parameters. You'll notice a variety of options, each with its unique influence on the image creation process. For instance, the style weight parameter determines how much the style of the reference image will influence your final creation. A higher value means a more pronounced influence. Next, you have the content weight. This parameter governs how much the content of your base image will be preserved in the final result. A higher value will see your base image's details retained more prominently. The learning rate is another essential parameter. This value determines how quickly the image evolves during the creation process. A higher learning rate leads to faster evolution. But be mindful, too high a rate may cause the image to lose coherence. Once you've tinkered with the parameters to your satisfaction, it's time to generate the image. Click on the Generate button, and watch as Leonardo AI brings your creation to life. This process might take a few moments, so sit back and enjoy the transformation. As the image evolves, you'll notice the style of the reference image blending with the content of your base image, creating a unique piece of art. Feel free to experiment with different base images, reference styles, and parameter settings. Each combination will yield a different result, adding to the fun of discovery. Remember, creating images with Leonardo AI is not an exact science. It's an art. It's about exploring the uncharted territories of creativity and pushing the boundaries of digital art. And there you have it, a unique image created using Leonardo AI. Creating images with Leonardo AI is easy, but creating great images requires a few tips and tricks. The first trick in the book is choosing the right base image. Leonardo AI uses this as a reference, so the clearer and more high quality your base image is, the better your results will be. Next up, adjusting parameters for different effects. Play around with the settings, such as style weight, content weight, and learning rate. Higher style weight values will make your output image more stylized, while higher content weight values will make it more similar to your base image. And remember, a slower learning rate might take more time, but it often leads to more detailed images. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Each setting can drastically change your final image, so try different combinations and see what works best for you. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to creating stunning images with Leonardo AI. We've come a long way from wondering how to create pictures in neural networks to actually doing it. We started by setting up Leonardo AI, then we dove into the creation of an image. We even learned how to make those images better. It's been quite the journey, hasn't it? But it doesn't end here. I encourage you to experiment, play around with the settings, and make your own stunning creations. Remember, the only limit to what you can create with Leonardo AI is your imagination. So go ahead and create. Happy image creating.